Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn on dark mode on Snapchat. Since dark mode is one of the highly requested features on Snapchat for Android, the company has kept it exclusive to paid subscribers. We can confirm if the same will be available to general users in the future. Currently, subscribing to Snapchat Plus is the only way to activate dark mode on Android. So, follow these steps on this video. Launch Snapchat on Android, then tap your profile in the upper left corner. Select the settings gear in the upper right corner, then select Snapchat Plus and tap subscribe. Check the exclusive, experimental, and pre-release features of Snapchat Plus. Then tap Next. Check the pricing details and confirm your subscription. Snapchat also offers a 1-week free trial to check the new features. If you aren't satisfied with the offering, cancel the trial before the due date. The pricing varies from one region to another. Check the company's official page to learn more about Snapchat Plus. Although Snapchat is available on Windows PCs and Macs, you can only subscribe to Snapchat Plus from the company's mobile app. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.